Now, if you turn your eyes, you should not be able to see. If you close your eyes, you will be able to see. That is different. But if you turn your eyes away from the Krishna, you should not be able to see. All of you understand? See, listen. If you have Krishna in the front, with your eyes open, you are seeing. Even if you close your eyes, you may be seeing. That is power. But turn your eyes away from the Krishna, you should not be able to see. Only then it is power. After turning your eyes away from the Krishna, if you are seeing still, it is imagination. It's going on in the mind. Even if one of the things are Krishna, don't worry, it's a power. Understand? In India, the compounders become doctors sometimes. Really, compounders. See, this compounder and nurse who work with the doctors for 5 years, 6 years, they learn headache, green tablet, stomach pain, yellow tablet, knee pain, black tablet, and like the color, based on color they pick up. Yes, it will work sometime as long as the pharmaceutical company does not change the color. So, just because 2-3 times it works, don't go to the compounder doctor. Real doctor, 1 or 2 times it may not work what he gives, but that is always safe. So, real power is always safe. It's an established, clear, legitimate science. Imagination is not safe or good even if 1 or 2 times it clicks. All of you are able to understand? So check yourself suddenly. Suddenly turn your eyes this side, away from the Krishna. You should not be able to see. And one more thing, your eyes should, when you turn and to check, your eyes should not fall on somebody else's Krishna. Because even others Krishna you can see. See, all the Krishnas, Jnananjana, you, completely I am entangling. For your Kundalini to be awakened, for your Sadashiva thought to be awakened. So even if you see in others Krishna, you will be able to see. You should not see any Krishna. But if you continue to see, then it is imagination. You don't see any Krishna and the scenes are not there, then it is power. All of you are clear about what I am saying? Please continue. Or the place you did not go last 15 years. Now how it looks, now where he is. You can see and then try to reach out that person. If you say, I don't have phone number, any contact, then pick up some place which you have not seen, but now who can help you to find how it looks now. So pick up a place, some temple or something, you can come up some place which you have not seen for 15 years. Now how it looks, see, and then try to get somebody who is near. Let them go and verify and tell. See, how to find a person, you only have to decide, I can give only power. All the practical verification method only you have to decide. Come up with some way to class verify. See, why this class verification, to make you understand that Shaktipada is established. It is drilled. I am telling you, these powers are not for any arrogance or pride to increase your ego or anything. How many of you heard the Lion Cup story? If you have not heard, at least see it in the YouTube. It's there. The cup which was thinking is a sheep need to eat the flesh, only then you will realize he's a lion. You are thinking you are human, eating incompletions and all that. You need to eat the real flesh powers to know you are Sadashiva. Understand? Once the cup tastes the flesh, it starts roaring. There is no man, no. So once you start tasting powers, see, I can say very comfortably, within next 2 days, I will make at least 2-3 powers very comfortable for you. Even your self-doubt will not be able to disturb it. Your most intimate enemy is your self-doubt. Intimate enemy. Your self-doubt, your SDHD. Even your SDHD will not be able to confuse you to that level within next 2 days. You will have a clear manifestation of, see, you suddenly know, like how the needle aligns itself with the campus, if you see, how the needle automatically aligns to the north-south. The moment you declare, let me be one with Sadashiva, let me be one with Swamiji. The moment you declare, you will know suddenly that some needle in you aligns. Even you will know, no, I am not that capable. I know Swamiji may be capable, but not me. You don't know how much I have done and what all the stupidity I have done. No. How can it be? Even your SDHD will not be able to shed that needle. That needle will be very strong. That's what I call the alignment of Shaktipada. Alignment towards the Shaktipada will be too straight beyond your SDHD. I am telling you, it's even if you take this even as a commitment, within the next 2 days, I will make the cap. So now, what will happen now? When you eat powers, only then you will understand, oh God, then this whole software of what Swamiji is teaching is right. See, I am telling you, when I was initiated into this science by Arunagiri Yogeshwara at the age of 11, only when I started manifesting powers, I started trusting this Agama software. The exact definition of Agama is, it is a software delivered by Sadashiva, received by Devi, adopted by Vishnu to run this universe, whole universe. It is a kind of a mental setup, a conscious alignment. That is what I am giving you. This integrity, authenticity, the responsibility, enriching, and the power manifestation, completion, all this is nothing but that software. So when you start manifesting powers, suddenly you will have confidence, oh God, yes, true. I think one part of my identity I have not recognized. You will start recognizing that higher identity. Then by maybe after some time, the identity with which you came will become redundant, irrelevant. See, the fears you were carrying few days before, the desires you were carrying few days before, the likes and dislikes you were carrying few days before, good bad ideas you were carrying, all those things suddenly will become meaningless. When these powers gives you confidence, when they give you the energy and strength, and the whole Agama software will bring so much of trust and the future possibility. See, whenever you see a possibility, the past load becomes irrelevant, redundant. That is what I call new life. New life happening. Whatever was too big load on your head, suddenly you will see they are not disturbing you anymore. They are not relevant. Much of them forgotten. The remaining few things which you remember, like a very ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend. So your patterns, all your fears and problems will become your ex. They will never be anymore your present. This making your old redundant to you. You need to eat powers. You need to eat powers. And I am very confident that Shaktipada is already happening. I could see the way things moving inside you guys, the way you are manifesting. It is happening. It is breaking your SDHD. Your SDHD is also trying its best. Like this anti-Hindu forces. Understand? Why we I make these celebrations, forever I am keeping the history. That is why all these rituals. Do you understand? Why this? I am making all this as a part of the ritualistic celebration. In Hindu tradition, anything only if it becomes a ritual, it will be alive forever. Otherwise, it will not be. That's the way we keep history, we keep health things. For example, this best things for your body: turmeric, tulsi, bilva, the dhruva grass, all that we associate with religion. So whether you want or not, once in a 15 days, if you are living a Hindu life, all this will get into your system automatically. If you are living a Hindu life, if you are practicing Hindu, all this will get into your system automatically. Once in 10 days, 15 days, it will be part of your life and routine and eating procedure. Only through religion we keep all the best things alive. That is the Hindu way of living, Hindu way of tradition. So anything we want to remember, history, we make it as religion. Anything we want to be eaten again and again for health, we make it as religion. Anything we want it to be protected and preserved, like a trees and animals, we make it as a religion. Cow, Sadashivas. Then nobody touches it. Nobody will touch, nobody will eat, nobody will kill. So anything we wanted to preserve, we make it as a part of religion. I want to keep this as a history. The way we were attacked and the way we survived and won the game. We need to keep that history. That is right. And 7 years before, I remember this night, one of the top police officers was our devotee, calling me and saying, Swamiji, I know you are enlightened being. He knows me very personally, closely for more than 3-4 years. Just listen to my only one request. I know for sure nothing can damage you. You will get out of all this. But I am only worried about your enemies are to physically harm you, poison you. Just have some trustworthy devotee and be away from the public eyes. Be with him for few days until when you need to come out. When the danger is not there, then be available. And just listen to this one request, because if they physically harm you, nothing can be done. Everything will be lost. Everything will be lost. Only this one request, listen to me. That one advice I listened. And he said, Swamiji, everything else is stupid, nothing can be done. All these kind of conspiracies with us away in just few days, few weeks. But usually during this conspiracy, chaos, if they harm the physical body, that nothing can be done. Some chaos will be created. In that chaos, someone will come like a helping and slow poison it. This is the only advice I listened. We just came out of everything safe. The person who protected me at that time is here, but I don't have his permission to reveal his identity, so I am not revealing. So maybe I will take his permission and then reveal his identity. He is here in the program, who has protected me at that time.